Hey guys, in this episode, I'm going to show you the ways to access your MBNA mobile banking account on multiple devices within the app. So, in order to access your MBNA account on multiple devices, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. And before accessing your account on multiple devices, you'll have to make sure that you have already registered or that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to do this procedure. So according to MBNA mobile banking app, you could register your accounts up to 10 different devices. It could be either your iOS device or an Android device. Each device must be registered for you to log in on other mobile devices, including your Windows, or you could also access online services through your phone's internet browser as well. So all you need to do is head over to your respective Play Store and then install the following application, and when you're done installing, click the open button and it's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. And here you have to go ahead and press on the login button, enter in your credential, and you'll be logged into your account. So that's how you can access your MBNA account on multiple devices. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.